Hi YouTube. Have you ever seen chickens eating spaghetti or a goat fighting a rope? If you haven't, come on, let's go. But while we're here, can you subscribe? We need your help. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We've got 44, so we've got a little ways to go. All right, thanks. Also, while we're here, let me know in a comment what you want to see. The channel's still pretty new, so we can see whatever we want. Do you want crazy funny animal videos, or do you want something a little more informative? Let me know. Say bye, YouTube.